Hi, my name is Ajita and I work as a director HR for a multinational. This particular testimonial is for Smita. I have been incurring Smita services for about 14 years now, and I must say that it's been an amazing experience. Some of the qualities that I really see in her are that she's very punctual, so of course customers time is very important. Secondly, she's very hygienic. Thirdly, she really takes care of the customer with a lot of emotion and care, so that makes the other person feel very comfortable while they are going through the services. And she always has something new to offer. She's extremely hardworking and very warm as an individual also, because that gives the warmth to the customer to engage with her, right? And you feel at home with her. So I highly recommend her for her services to everyone, and I want to wish her good luck in everything that she does. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम अवनी पिथाड़िया है। मैं हैंडराइटिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट एक्सपर्ट हूँ मुंबई से। मैंने स्मिता जी की नेल आर्ट सर्विसेज ली थी मेरे एक इवेंट के टाइम पे। उन्होंने घर पे आके इतने अच्छे से मेरे नेल आर्ट किए थे, एंड इट वाज लव्ड एंड अप्रिशिएटेड बाय एवरीवन इन माय नेटवर्क, इन माय ग्रुप। मेरी नेल आर्ट देख के बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था उसके बारे में कि किससे करवाया है, और मेरे जो 3-4 फ्रेंड्स को मैंने स्मिता जी को का नंबर दिया, उनको भी उन्होंने घर पे जाके इतना ब्यूटीफुल नेल आर्ट करके दिया कि वो सब बहुत खुश थे। स्मिता जी के नेचर से, उनके हार्ड वर्क से, और उनका जो काम करने का तरीका है, फिनिश्ड वर्क है, क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क है, उससे मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड्स बहुत खुश हैं। थैंक यू स्मिता जी फॉर ऑल योर एफर्ट्स। I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Leena Kataria and I have known Smita from last 25 years. I still remember the day when she had come to my neighbor's house to give her a facial. I liked her services and I invited her to my house. From that day till now, she has been a regular member in our family. She not only comes to my house, but she goes to many other flats in my building. I have 2 daughters and Smita has literally seen them growing up. They both are now married, but Smita still goes to their house whenever they require any beauty treatment. Smita is a very hard-working and an honest lady. She is very good in her profession and she keeps on updating her skills. I recommend all of you to try her treatments once. Thank you.